Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar. In this video, we're gonna see how to install Vim on Windows and Windows 10 and 11. And if you don't know, Vim is a very powerful text editor, and it comes pre-installed on Linux, and we will install on the Windows. It is very intimidating to use, but don't worry, I'll make a series of videos through which you will learn Vim. And after learning the Vim, you are going to thank me because it is very fast, and editing files will be much better if you use a lot of files. To install on Windows 11, we will right click on the Windows icon and then we will select the terminal with administrative right. First of all, we need to update our winget. So write winget and update. It will update all the packages repositories. Okay, now we are going to do winget install dot vim. So as you can see that Vim is successfully installed, but you will try to access the Vim in terminal, it will not launch. If you will try again on the launching the terminal, it will still not launch because it is not added to your environment. So to achieve that, first of all you need to select any of these three icons and right click on it and open file location. Now click here and copy this location. See program files vim92. Now left click on the Windows icon and enter env environment. Select this option and select the environment variables. Now inside the system variables, select this path option and edit it. Now add a new path and paste that earlier copied thing here. Click OK. And now if you open a terminal and you will write Vim, the Vim is successfully launched on your system. So, and to exit the Vim, you will write :Q and press enter. It will exit the Vim. So that's how you install the Vim on Windows. So thanks for watching guys. Make sure you subscribe for next videos. Thank you.